Hello friends, welcome back. We have another fun unboxing today, and this time it is thanks to our friends over at ToyMonster International. Today we are going to be checking out the Jurassic World Captivz color change slime eggs. This is going to be an epic evolution, and there's a little splish splash right there because we are going to be doing some color changing in some water. Let's get into it. Here's what's inside our really fun package. It looks like we have some color change Jurassic World eggs and also a couple of other extra goodies, as well as some cups for our water, I'm assuming, for our color change. So let's take a look at what we have here. Color change slime inside. Watch your pop and lock dino change color in water. And right here we have hot and cold water examples. I'm really excited to open these. And as always, I'd like to say thank you to our friends over at ToyMonster International for sending these out. We'll start with the zipper right here. I think this is a zipper right here. It doesn't matter. I always open them upside down. That's fine. Ooh, I like this. This is a two-tone egg. So usually the ones we have are all just one color. It's got some nice texture on it, extra pronounced ridges. That's really awesome. Let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. We have some color change slime in here. So we will be trying it in 2 different temperatures. And then we have our pop and lock dino that we are going to put together right now. Little pull tab right here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. So we've got a holographic collector's card. This says Dilophosaurus, the Toxic Terror. It looks to be what's going to be a bigger picture. So this looks like a small picture. And if you collect them, it's going to make like a bigger picture. For our Dilophosaur, we're just going to pop his tail into place. There we go. And let's check him out. He is looking really fierce with all those neon colors. I love the theme of these eggs this time because they're very brightly colored and neon. Oh, his tail's not on all the way. Let's get that tail on in there. There we go. Okay, so we got his tail on right. Look at these stripes. It seems to be a dark blue, purplish color. We've got some neon colors here. We've got his fierce look on his face. Teeny tiny little hands. And we are going to soon test out the color change on this. Let's check out the collector's sheet to see what we have going on here and what are the possibilities that we can get. So Dino 2-way color change. Here is the demo, and it shows it going from hot to cold and the different ways our dino could color change. Oh, and look at this. We can warm the slime in our hands. You see, there you go. If you collect your cards, they will make a bigger picture. Cool. Let's see what we've got here. Here's our guy right here. He's going to go from dark to light. We'll have to get some hot water out, and I'm going to get some ice cold water too. I imagine these react to the water for the color change. So we're going to be using these Jurassic World plastic cups that they gave us. But I'll also put some clear cups too so that you guys can see. I almost forgot to open the slime, guys. I was too busy looking at the collector's sheet. So let's go ahead and open that. Whoa, this is cool. It goes along with the theme. It's a nice neon orange. So sticky, so satisfying. Should we try and warm it up in our hands and see if that's going to work? If you just kind of hold it in your hands and warm it up, like the demonstration said, check it out. That's so cool. It was not that color before. I'm sure the longer you hold it in there, or if you put it in hot or cold water, it will color change again. That's so awesome. Okay, let's set that aside in here. There we go, our little slime. Okay, I'm back, friends, with some water. So I filled up one with cold water, and you can see the cup changed colors. So I'm going to put some of that cold water over here in the bowl. And then I'm going to put some of the hot water from this cup into this bowl right here. We're getting kind of full over here. We got a lot of things over here. Let's pour that in. Because he's dark, and I think the picture shows that he goes from dark to light, we are going to start in the ice cold water. He color changes in hot water. So it stays dark and cold and it goes to hot water, because as you can see here, I sat it in cold water and that didn't do anything. So we're going to take it out and we're going to drop it into the hot water. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at the front too. That was an instant color change. Very dramatic results. Look at this, a complete difference. That's amazing. We went from dark color and dark stripes to extremely light. Oh, it's going back to normal. It's getting cold again. Let's put it back in the hot water. Okay, we're going to warm it up again so we can take a look at the difference. Wow, so our neon red and green and blues changed to orange and yellow. These are really neat. By the way, you can find these exclusively at Walmart. So if you are a collector or you want to use these for basket fillers or gifts, check them out. Okay, let's go back in the cold. Ready? Let's do half. Look at that. That's so awesome. Wow. How about we just have the dark in the front and light in the back, and the tip of the tail, it's getting cold. So the tail is already color changing. Okay, we'll do the rest. Wow. They really did good with these. I've opened quite a few of these dino eggs, and they're very fun. They're very detailed. I'm a big fan of Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. These are great. And I was warming it up in my hands. It was turning yellow. Let's try and dip it in some hot water. Look. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Totally different, except for I was holding it. Okay, back in cold. And slowly we're getting back to orange. Oh, that's nice. Oh, slippery. Okay, now let's open another egg. I'm going to go ahead and go for the green one here. Same thing. We have another two-toned egg. We've got green and gold. Let's see what's inside. All right, same as before. We've got a dino and we've got more slime. I'm going to start with the dino. Let's see what we got. Oh, I missed a piece. Here we go. Hey, looks like we've got the Tyrannosaurus Rex. So here is our holographic collector's card that goes well with the color changing theme. Tyrannosaurus Rex, the drive-in. Roar. Looks like he's about to spoil everybody's movie at the drive-in. That's a cool card. And we've got another piece to our puzzle with our collector's cards. So let's see, is it gonna match here? Nope. We've got to get some more. Let's take a look at this guy. Let's go ahead and put him together. We'll start with the tail. Ooh, cool stripe on his tail. And, oh, that's supposed to be like the underbelly. Gonna pop that right on. Nice and squeaky. Oh, okay. Now I see the stripe on his tail because it's his entire underbelly. It's two-toned. I wonder if that's going to color change too. All right, let's get a good look at this guy. I'd hate to see this guy crash my drive-in movie. Look at his tail over here. And then we've got a lot of like ridges here. They're very detailed. Here's our T-Rex. We're going to go from brown to orange. And this time I'm going to do it right. We are going to put him in some hot water. Actually, let me move this over so we can check out the hot water first. And there we go again with an instant color change. Look at that. Okay, let's get him all the way in there. So he immediately turned orange, the orange color that it said so on the collector's sheet. And look at that stripe on his underbelly. That, I don't think that changed colors. I think it's just the top, and that was just like a base color. That's okay. Let's get him out. I think they look even cooler after they color change. What do you guys think? Do you guys like them before the color change or after? He's getting cold and he's starting to turn color again. We're going to go ahead and put him in the cold water. And just like that, back to normal. Okay, wow. I love the dramatic change of color. It's almost instant as soon as you put it in the water. So we've got cold to hot. Are you ready? Look at that. It's really neat. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, Toy Monster. These are so cool and they're awfully entertaining. I'm having fun with them. Well, guys, what did you think? Leave me a comment down below if you like these, if you plan on picking any of these up and collecting any of them. I was totally impressed with the quality of the details and how instant they color change. The slime was pretty fun too. It's back to its original color, but you can hold it in your hands and warm it up or put it in the water and color change. I thought these were amazing. They were very cool, very fun and entertaining to play with. And I love that you can color change them over and over again. And as always, friends, I'm going to save a couple of these for my YouTube shorts. If you are not subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit those notifications so you know when I upload a new short or a weekly unboxing video. Thanks so much for joining us today in this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.